Salute Trade Game team. What's happening real fast? I'll hop in here to give y'all a quick update on the channel, the website, the business, Trade Game Official. All right, so here's what's going on. I was talking to some of y'all in the Discord, and I was showing you some of the new robots that I just got finished for the website. The robots that's on the site right now, those robots, let me explain what's happening. Those robots that are there, those are just basic EAs. They're not basic, but they're EAs with an algorithm in it that's designed to take trades. Those robots will probably be the cheaper version of the software that you can get, because the newer robots that we're going to put up that you guys keep asking about, those are going to be sophisticated. They're considered artificial intelligent robots. They talk, they have algorithms involved. We just have to get some protection added to it. It's being done. It's literally like finishing as we speak. By the time you see this video, it probably will be all the way done. But we just got to make sure that the protection is on the robot so that nobody can copy the algorithm, because the algorithm is literally a bank algorithm. The algorithm is pretty much what we have to protect, because my partner gets he's been trading for over 10 years, and he gets a lot of without getting into too much details, he gets a lot of people that try to pretty much finesse him for this algorithm, because, you know, a lot of people want to trade like the banks or against the banks, and the only way to really do that is to have a good algorithm, and his algorithm obviously is good based off the stuff that he uploads. You see what I upload, you see the amount of pips we get and stuff like that. It's really hard to do that without an algorithm of some kind, a robot of some kind, software of some kind. So here's the good news though. The good news, because I'm kind of like dragging this out and I need to get to the point. The good news is that I've put an affiliate program on the website for people that want to be a part of the Trade Game team. Some of the software might be pricey, so what I did was I put an affiliate program on the site, and you can get paid for referring the software, and hopefully the referrals that people use, they can get that to lower the price for people that want to get automated with their trading. You may want to try an automated system. You may not want to spend a couple $100s, and you may want to try it. Now, the affiliate program is going to ask for some things if you don't have the things that's on the app, the application.
New high on dollar yen.
Oh, the robot's talking. See, that's a talking robot. If you don't have the stuff that's asking for, just put not applicable, put NA, and it's okay, because we're going to review the applications. More than likely you'll be accepted. There's no real reason to not be accepted, but it's part of the process as far as business that we have to like screen the people that are going to have access to the software. Because what's going to happen is you're going to get your own link, and you're going to be able to promote that link if you don't know how affiliateship works. And if people buy it, you get a piece of the money. So we're going to ask for your PayPal address, and when you sell something, you'll automatically get your money. You know, of course, as PayPal clears it, because there's a thing going on with PayPal where if you pay for a product and it's not friends or family, they put the payment on hold pretty much. If that happens, then you kind of got to wait for that to clear. Other than that, you'll be able to sell the software yourself, and in turn you'll be able to support the business and make some money in the process. Now, as far as the Discord and the YouTube channel, as it grows, I'm gonna be looking for moderators. As far as the people that are in the same town as me, some of y'all be hitting me up. I am gonna be looking for like a team of people. This is not like an IML thing or nothing like that. This is just a team of people that, you know, we could trade. I have expensive software, so I'm pretty sure some people probably might want to build up to that, or you may need me to show you how to use it. And you know, we're just gonna put a team together of people, you know. So, but the only thing is, of course, I gotta vet and screen them. My partner's gonna have to agree with it. And you know, we just gotta make sure no nutcases getting in here. Some of the software, you'll probably have access to it if we decide to put you in with us. And we'll show you how to use it. I'll personally show you how to use it. And I'll make sure that you know what you're doing with the software, so that when you try to give it to somebody or you try to sell it, at least you'll know what you're doing. Because if you don't know what you're doing, the software is not gonna help you. I'm not gonna try to preach that the software is gonna make you into this great trader. It won't. It's not gonna do that for you guys. Okay, so don't think that the software is going to turn around and just turn you into some awesome trader. If you don't know how to trade and you turn on that robot, that robot, like right now, let me see if I can show you guys this. Right now, the robot is taking a lot of trades because the market is ranging, and this is the time that I suggest you guys don't ever turn on a robot unless you got a robot for this specific condition. Let me see. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show y'all this. I think I can. Okay, this is a great time to show you this. Now we do have robots, but this is a prime example of what I want to show you. You see how all those arrows is pointing and the market is literally going the other direction? You see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? This is when, if you have on a robot without watching your charts, you would lose trades. This is why you guys got to be careful. Now we do have robots for these type of events, and I'm gonna make separate videos for all of that. I'm gonna make videos for all the different moves, and we have high-low indicators. We have scanners to let you know when moves are happening. Everything that I teach in the course, that move that I teach, we have a robot that does that for you. But I'd rather you learn how to do it without any software first, so that when you turn on the robot, it's just easier for you. That's why in the course I don't talk about the robot. I just show you the real move. Now there's algorithms involved. Of course I can't talk about that, but pretty much when you get the software, it's gonna do all of that for you. It's gonna talk to you and tell you literally, if you don't turn on the robot, it's gonna tell you when the signal comes out, and you can go look at the chart. All those arrows were signals, and the robot can either take that trade or it could just tell you about it. Now, we do have a bank series coming out. That bank series is gonna be different moves. Like for this move, there's gonna be a bank series for that. You know, we have the bank stimulus. I think that, yeah, that is the one. Bank stimulus is gonna be the one for the ranging market like that, where you trade high and lows, or you trade levels based off the range. So when it goes here, you take a buy. When it goes here, you take a sell. When it comes back here, you take a buy. Comes back here, you take a sell. And you just keep putting your TP at each level and wait for it to hit it. And you just keep bouncing back and forth in that range. However it goes, it may go up and down ranging. But either way, this video is just to let you guys know we do have affiliate programs available now. If you don't want to be an affiliate, you can hit us up, you know, hit me up or whatever. Let me know what you want to do. Because some of you guys been hitting me up, and I'm trying to give you guys an opportunity to get on board before everything gets a little bigger than what it is. I am running into people in person. So I'm kind of been tied up. Like this whole week, I haven't really traded that much. One reason I haven't traded is because NFP is at the end of the week. So I already know this week was going to be bad, which it gives moves, but a lot of the moves is fake outs because NFP. So it's ranging, and then it's going to sneak the orders in through the ranging. And I'm not really in the mood to chase trades. If I see that, I won't trade. Normally I would trade that. I'm not going to trade that this week because I'm not chasing no moves. I'm not in the mood to. I feel like I took 600 trades in 3 weeks, guys. I took 600 trades in 3 weeks. And I said, you know what? That's enough. Let me chill out. Let me take it easy out here. So yeah, the robot is going crazy. The robot's going off. I hear you. So we have regular indicators that give signals. I have a video on the channel that teaches you how to connect your MT4 to your phone. If you've done that, you're gonna get an alert to your phone from your MT4 telling you about the trade. We have the new talking robots. They're gonna literally talk. The scanner talks. We have indicators that talk now. So all that stuff is what we're gonna upload. And we just got to get the license straight, because that software we have to protect with a license. So when you buy it, you have to buy it with a license for a year, lifetime, whatever. But either way, we got to put the license on it to protect it. So that's what was taking so long. So guys, real quick, I'll pause the video to stop in here to let you see what it's looking like. Okay, so this is it. We do have the actual affiliate program up. If you go to the website at the top, you look all the way over to the right, it says affiliate program sign up. You click it, here you go. This is the page. You know, you'll be sent to this page. You create an account. You know, we did ask for the Instagram and YouTube channel. Hopefully you have some kind of social media to promote it on. If you don't have it, put NA. Definitely put your PayPal email address so we can pay you. Agree to the terms and the conditions, and we will get the application and we'll review it. And you should be fine. I don't see no reason why you want it. We just need to know who you are. Once you have that, this is the page you come in and you just log in. When you log in, you'll be able to see all the people who brought the software from you, who brought anything on the site from you, and you'll see how much money you have coming to you. You'll be able to see everything. This is an official affiliate program. I spent the whole night setting this up for you guys. I hope people appreciate it, man. I do, because I really did stay up all night. I'm super tired right now. I was just trying to figure out a way to get something to you guys, and hopefully that works. That's the charts. Pardon me. So yeah, that's that. I don't know what happened to the page I had up here. I don't know what happened to that. There you go. So as you can see, this is what the affiliate page looks like. You earn up to 12% commission. Of course, that's a lot. I did the math on that. That's coming out of my pocket directly. I can't say this enough. That is a good amount of money. Depending on how much you do, you earn up to 20%, which is a super stupid amount of money. That's all coming from my portion, of course. I'm trying to help you guys out, so I don't mind doing that. Any sales that I do directly, I'm good on that. So, but it's not really about the money, so I'm not really worried about it too much. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, man. So hopefully this can help people out. If you sell the software, you get it out there and help somebody, you'll get a commission for that now. Okay, so that'll give you a reason to put other people on. The software, like I said, the license was being added. We got to protect that algorithm and encrypt it so people can't be just passing that thing around like hotcakes. But yeah, so this is it. This is what it looks like, man. You know, I spent all night doing this. So we have it ready for you guys. Like I said, when you log in, you sign up, you get the commission off anything you sell from the site. You get your own links. You get to come and see what the links is doing. I mean, pretty much, you know, this is if y'all want it or not. I don't even know if you guys want this. I don't really have any expectations for it, so it don't really matter to me, to be honest. It's just an opportunity I'm trying to give to anybody that this is something you might be good at. It helps me because it gets the company name out, and it helps you because it puts money in your pocket. Now, the goal for this, for me, what I'm trying to do for you is, you could probably take this money if you want to get a system. You could get it from, you know, from the money you make from this. That's me looking at it from my perspective. Let's talk about you. You could take this money and fund your own Forex account, or maybe you could even get a funded account. You know, a lot of you guys could go take this money and go get a funded account, pass the challenge, and now you fund it. You got capital. So the bottom line is, hopefully you use this money to fund your Forex journey. That's really what I'm doing this for. Okay, to be completely honest. Once a couple of y'all sign up, I'm closing this thing. I'm not gonna leave it running and have anybody and their mama in there, because like I said, I already see this thing is starting to get wild. I didn't check, but as soon as I uploaded this, people started signing up, and I don't know how they did that, because you can put this on a store, on a third party, and yeah, people could come and if they think they could sell what you have, they could sign up. I don't know how I didn't put anything up until I made this video, and people started signing up already. Before I even put it on the website, people started signing up. So I'm gonna give the Discord people, I'm gonna give the YouTube people a chance first. Like I said, sign up if you're interested. If not, it's okay. This is honestly not a super big deal to me, but I just figured I'd give you guys opportunity. Okay, I'm just trying to come up with different ways to put everybody on. I know this software is a little pricey, so I'm doing this to try and hopefully help people get, you know, their money up. You know what I mean? Either way, to get it, or to get something else, or get capital. Maybe you get a funded account and then come back and get this with some of the money from the funded account. However y'all want to do it. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm out of here. Let's switch back over to the video. Yeah, remember, if you're in the Discord and you brought the course, let me know. Give me your DM me your order number so I can add you to the VIP group in the Discord. That group is for the people who brought the course to talk about the course. I've been helping a few of y'all in there. A few of y'all been asking me questions, and I've been putting y'all on, and I've been showing y'all things. Y'all be letting me know what to add to the course as far as bonus videos. The course is good the way it is, but I add to it. So based off what you guys need, I go and I do more like videos So I also recommend get the course, because once I start adding more stuff to it, like indicators and videos, the price is gonna have to go up. And I'm not thinking of doing that no time soon or nothing. Not trying to juice y'all for no money or nothing, but just common sense. If I start adding videos and stuff to it, I gotta raise the price, okay? And I don't really want to do that, so I'm trying to keep it where it's at right now. But I'm trying to help you guys out, so I think we should get out of here. I think that should be it, right? I think we covered everything in this video. I think this is enough. You know, let's check on these trades and see what we got going on. This GJ trade was at 100 pips and it backed up. Interesting. So you see it backed up off that key level. Very interesting. Very interesting. So I definitely lost some bread on that. That's okay though. That is okay. I did secure one trade. Let me secure this one. Okay. No, that's actually what happened. I put my stop loss ahead and I stopped out of the trade. So that's good. I stopped out in profit. Let's check on this Euro USD real fast, because I've been messing with Euro USD. Yeah, look at this. Look at the beautiful Euro USD trade. Look at this, guys. Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm excited. This pair, when I was learning Forex, used to kick my butt. For some reason, GJ and Euro USD used to kick my butt, and people used to tell me Euro USD was easy. It's now I go back to Euro USD and I kind of be beating it up now. You know what I mean? It's good to see that. Anyway though, so let's go back to the website. Boom. That's it, guys. So I think it's time to end the video here. Okay, I think it's long enough. I think I talked enough. Let me know what you guys want, man. Hit me in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all need. Let me know what time y'all want me to start doing these Zoom conferences and stuff. I decided I want to do some Zoom conferences showing you how to use the robots. I'm gonna upload a video on every system we have, how it works, how to use it. But if you guys want that free training, I'm gonna do some free webinars here and there for you guys to try and help y'all out if y'all really want to buy the software. Okay, I'm out of here. Salute. Peace.